Devices used in home automation, medical, green energy, and factory automation applications require a low-power and compact timekeeping solution. Epson's RX4111CE and RX8111CE real-time clock modules feature a low 100 nanoamp current consumption and an automatic power switch function that monitors the VDD voltage and will automatically switch over to the backup power input if VDD drops too low, ensuring continued operation. Backup power can be an EDLC, secondary battery, or primary battery. The RTCs can operate at up to 105 degrees Celsius and feature a built-in frequency-adjusted 32.768 kHz crystal unit, can record 8 timestamps based on various triggers, and offer configurable clock output, timer, and alarm functions. Separate VDD and VIO supplies can be used, and the RX4111CE provides a SPI bus, while the RX8111CE provides an I2C bus for application flexibility.